You guys, welcome back. Today I'm making Nam Pla Waan, a sweet, salty, and spicy aromatic dip made for crispy sour fruits. It goes well with unripe green mangoes. This one is starting to ripen but still quite sour. So I think it'll pair nicely with this dip. We'll need shallots, red and green chilies. I'm using Jinda chilies today. Dried shrimp prepared two different ways. First, for texture, chop into chunks. Secondly, blitz in a spice grinder into fluff like this. Roasted chili flakes for extra heat. And palm sugar. This brand came in lumps like this and I shaved it down to melt it faster. Open your windows or cook this outdoors if you can. On medium heat, in goes the palm sugar and water. Once the palm sugar begins to melt, shrimp paste, fish sauce, dried shrimp chunks, dried shrimp fluff, roasted chili flakes for extra heat, shallots and chilies, should be sweet, salty, spicy, and umami. Adjust the flavors to your liking. It'll thicken as it cools down. Here we have it, Nam Pla Waan. Enjoy with your favorite crispy sour fruits. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.